These are trying times for the nation and the world, and Nigeria is taking more measures to contain the coronavirus pandemic, even with one death recorded. The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 is saying these drastic measures are inevitable. Already, 42 out of 54 African countries have recorded COVID-19 cases, with 48 deaths so far in the continent.
If and when the need arises, Mr. President has approved that any national assets that are required for use in the response to COVID-19 shall be mobilized and deployed. Federal government is at the highest level engaging with state governors in order to ensure a collaborative and effective response to COVID-19 pandemic. All Abuja and Lagos residents are strongly advised to stay at home, avoid mass congregation of any kind, as well as non-essential outings.
The strategy of government, the task force says, is to focus on testing, detection and containment of COVID-19 through contact tracing to prevent community spread. This is in addition to provision of more isolation centers.
There will be one more in Lagos, making 6. But we are able to activate one test site in Maiduguri, Ibadan, Abakaliki, and they were expecting a donor who is going to give us another machine which we want to deploy in Kano.
Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika clarified that the exemption of essential services in the ban of international flight operations must be backed by approval.
Humanitarian and medical relief flights that will have to have express approval before they land into the country.
To protect federal civil and public servants, the task force has directed the head of the civil service of the Federation to issue a circular with relevant directives without further delay. In Abuja, Mitaire Ikben, NTA News.